Well, welcome back, everyone. This segment is really going to be a drill down on what people call alien. Now, what's interesting about this, and the reason I put alien in quotes, and you'll see the title is Contact and the Cosmos, a Framework of Understanding. This next 45 minutes or so is going to be a very deep look at that. How is the cosmos structured? How do you make contact? But most importantly, what kind of various phenomena is occurring that is all being called alien? Now, we live in a space age, and so people are going to put everything in the context of the world and the time they live in. As the Vedas say, the world is as you are. So many people have experienced various intelligences. Some are extraterrestrial, some are man-made, and some are from other dimensions. And how do you distinguish them? And that's why there are three broad categories here that I want to go through. The first one, and the word alien, which I never use, and here's why. It's too broad. People use it meaning extraterrestrial, but they're actually using it describing a whole bunch of phenomena, only a small part of which is extraterrestrial, and they don't know it, and they don't want you to know it. Discernment is key, and if you lack discernment, you can be fooled, and that's what this is all about. You have to attain discernment. So, under extraterrestrial, the first thing I have are TDIS, transdimensional interstellar extraterrestrial beings. That means civilizations from another physical planet who have physical bodies and physical starships that go from one star system to this one, but they're not doing it through a straight line space travel, like the space shuttle, because you have to go beyond the speed of light. And in the mid-90s, I wrote a paper called The Crossing Point of Light. And the reason I did is because most of what is in the cosmos is resonating at frequencies beyond the speed of light, electromagnetic energy, matter, or space-time as we think of it, i.e. other dimensions. When you are going from, let's say, the Andromeda galaxy, I'm going to show you a photograph of an ambassador from Andromeda who visited us at Joshua Tree National Park a few years ago. If you're going from there, which is 2.5 million light years from Earth, and if you're traveling at the speed of light, it'll take you how long to get here? 2.5 million years. But it would take you 2.5 million years to get back. And that's at the speed of light. 5 million years round trip. Not going to happen, never going to happen. So that means that, by definition, if a civilization has reached Earth from another star system, they are going beyond the speed of light. And now we're in a whole new physics. And this is the physics they do not want you to know about, that has been studied for the better part of a century, that deals with transdimensional or interdimensional systems. So you can take this object, well, a laser pointer, put an electromagnetic field around it in such a way that it will levitate, become almost massless. But if you click it a little bit further, in resonant frequency, it will disappear from visual space-time, and you can make it reappear at another point in space-time. I'm qualitatively trying to describe what's actually happening. Now, this began to be observed, Einstein called it the spooky effect, where the same particle could be in two places at once, resonantly. And he called it the spooky effect, or spooky to him, because he didn't understand it. I remind people that someone once asked Einstein, what's it like to be a genius? He says, I don't know, ask Nikola Tesla. So, at any rate, I'll leave that be. history is always fake.